Greetings, YouTube. Strange howls in the daytime. Was sitting out here with the old cool dog. I hope that I hope that's picking up. What gets me is it sounds like it's right out here in front of Cool Dog, but she ain't reacting. Just looking right over there where it sounds like it's coming from. And I hope it picked up real good on camera. Let me know in the comments below what you thought that was. I know it's probably something natural. I'm not saying it's... Well, I probably will on the title. I'm not saying it was Bigfoot or Dogman or nothing, but that was a weird sound, right? Could have been something. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And until next time, I'll be back if anything starts up again. Like ever it is.